No one is saved ever.
Adela came from Mexico with Juan, her husband, looking for a better life. It's our first purge, so we don't know what to expect. Now it's daylight, people are coming back to their normal lives. And then we find out that people are still purging.
This is the real purge, the forever purge!
The Purge has our heroes trying to get out of the US and into Mexico. We knew we wanted a Mexican director to help us tell this particular story.
Básicamente, como me lo dijo Everardo, estamos haciendo un drama que está lleno de una locura y de muerte y de destrucción.
Everardo was pivotal in helping us cast Anna and Tenoch.
It's important for Adela and Juan to be our heroes. We have to see that represented on screen.
We're in this together.
Audiences love watching the Purge films because they are action-filled, scary rides.
There's always the conflict between anarchy and civilization. And I think about it as a Western, we're doing the ultimate modern version of it.
There are no rules in this movie.
This is the one that you have to see in the movie theater.